Streetlights are such good friends. They're always polite. Get it? Jambo, that's hello in Swahili. My name is Rehema with CTAC Lighting and Controls, and welcome to CTAC Studios. Today, I'm going to introduce to you the newest member of the Leotek Green Cobra LED street light, the ComfortView. Since LED lighting was introduced 10 years ago, the street lighting game has changed from 0 to 100 real quick. We have learned so much about residential needs and preferences over the past 10 years with LEDs. We now know that residents prefer much warmer color temperatures for the neighborhood streetlights, and glare has also been an increasing complaint that needs to be addressed. Leotek went to work and designed the ComfortView luminaire to mitigate these issues. You see, traditional LEDs utilize a chip on board or an LED array with a single optic system. In both cases, the LED light is in direct view of the end user. The ComfortView uses a special two-stage optic system where a refractor lens is added to the LED array, and that results in a reduced glare and a beautiful uniform source of light. Just like all members of the Leotek Cobra street lighting family, ComfortView is available in 4 specialized shields to accommodate all your light trespass requirements. We've got 3 options to choose from: the Cul-de-sac Shield, the house side shield, and the front side shield. And finally, the 80-degree cutoff shield to mitigate high-angle glare above 80 degrees. Install the shield as is, or modify it by cutting out shielding to reduce glare complaints and still use it in conjunction with other shields. Inevitably, there's going to be too high or too low light levels and light trespass on areas that require less light or none at all. Leotek has a great solution for you for that. The ComfortView comes with a field-adjustable wattage selector with 8 settings using a rotary dimmer. With these options, you can make even your worst complainers happy. Okay, there's always going to be that one person, and for them, it's either on or off option, period. Make it easy for them. The ComfortView luminaire is available in several color temperatures and lumen packages up to 8200 lumens, and also comes in distribution types 2s and 3s. Now for the good stuff. For a limited time, Leotek is running a municipal trial installation program where they're offering 4 sample fixtures to interested public agencies and utilities at no cost. Install the ComfortView luminaire against the additional LED luminaires and see the results for yourself. If you have any questions or want to sign up for the trial program, which you should, we'd love to help. Reach out to CTAC and we'll walk you through the process. We can't wait to hear from you soon, and thank you for joining us here at CTAC Studios.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You don't want to miss anything.